State Taxation Minister James Sangma on Wednesday informed that the state government is in the process of preparing the draft ordinance for the repeal of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021. Sangma said they are doing due diligence as once the act is prepared, or rather repealed, once the act is repealed, they do not want any kind of legal wranglings or hassles, and therefore they are ensuring that everything is done in a very organized and systematic manner.
So we are making sure that we do everything in a very organized and systematic manner. After I have discussed this matter with my senior colleagues and also with the Honorable CM, I have initiated the process also, and today the department is in the process of preparing the draft ordinance for the repeal of the Meghalaya Gaming Act. So this is the process. Whenever assembly session is not there, then to enact any law, or for that matter in this case to repeal an existing law, it has to take the route of an ordinance. So that's the process that we have initiated, and the process is ongoing as we speak.
With an aim to improving the